Hey guys, Kelly Vivo Cosplay here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do quick, easy ruffles using your serger. So let's get right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is turn your differential feed up to 2 on your serger. It's as easy as that. Once you've done that, you're going to take your fabric and start feeding it through your serger and it will create ruffles for you. This is a super simple and quick and easy way to make ruffles. Obviously I'm doing it on tulle here for a petticoat. You can also do additional things with your serger like tightening the needle tension and loosening the presser foot. By tweaking these settings you can create more ruffles if that's what you desire. You just want to do some tests and play around with it, but it's super quick, super easy and simple to make ruffles using a serger. And that's what they look like. Works great on tulle. Alright, and that's it. Super quick and super easy. Hopefully this information will help you out with your cosplay projects. If you guys have any questions at all, please leave that in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosplay tutorial videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!